Hello everyone, let's do the number board. Miss Greer chose the number 19 with my grandson, Mac.
The 0.
19 ends in a 9, which makes it an odd number. Remember, all odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. The number before is 18. 18 is an even number because it ends in an 8. All even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. The number after is 20. 20 is also an even number because it ends in a 0. Remember, all even numbers end in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, and all odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. If you were going to write the word 19, you would spell it out. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N spells the word 19. It looks like this in a 10 frame, and we count these by tens. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 looks like this in tally marks, and we count those by fives. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And these are bushel baskets. If you were going to go to the market and buy something in a bushel basket, they would charge you by weight. But we count ours by tens. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm going to move around the desk so that we can do some money and then maybe do some time. That way I can get closer and you can see the coins better. My first coin is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. And this is what the back of some quarters look like. It's upside down. Okay. Quarters might have different pictures on the back, but they're still quarters. Like this one has a different picture on the back. The front looks exactly the same, but the back has a different picture, but it's still a quarter and it's still worth 25 cents. The next coin is a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents, and you can count dimes by tens. This is a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. And you can count nickels by fives. And this is a penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent, and you can count those by ones. Let's do some time. Now remember, our long hand is always the minute hand, and our short hand is always the hour hand. Each one of these numbers counts 5 all the way around the clock. If our minute hand was on the 3, it would be 15. If our minute hand was on the 6, it would mean 30 or half past because you are halfway around the clock. If our minute hand was on the 9, it would mean 45. And if the minute hand was on 12, it always means o'clock. Now, I just said that each one of these numbers counts as 5 around the clock. So let's count those. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So it takes 60 minutes to make 1 hour. So let's do some time. Let's put our hour hand on the 12. Let's put our hour hand on the 12 and our minute hand on the 3, which would mean 12:15. Let's move our minute hand to the 6. It would be 12:30 or half past 12. Let's move our minute hand to the 9. That would be 12:45. Do you see how the hour hand is moving closer and closer to the 1? And when we move the minute hand back to the 12, we are at 1 o'clock. Now, if I put the minute hand on the one where the hour hand is at, it would be 5 minutes after 1. If I put the minute hand on 2, it would be 10 minutes after 1. 15 minutes after 1. The 4 is 20 minutes after 1. The 5 is 25 minutes after 1. The 6 is always 30, so 1:30. The 7 is 35, so it would be 1:35. The 8 is 40, it would be 1:40. Remember, the 9 is always 45, so it would be 1:45. The 10 would be 1:50. The 11 would be 1:55. And of course, 12 is always o'clock when the minute hand is on it, which would be 2 o'clock. Now, you can do that with any of the hours. It doesn't make any difference. If it would be 4 o'clock. So if I put the minute hand on the 4, it would be 4:20. It doesn't matter the hour that you're on. It's all of these are always worth 5 minutes. All right, my friends, have a great rest of your day.